Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow. You guys are so intense, so much passion, so much power. We love you for that. We feed off your energy. It's taken a long time for priests to get here. We've been going around the world so many times, and I said, we gotta go to Salvador, we gotta go to Salvador. And we made it at last. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for waiting and waiting so long. Some of you have been with us from when we began. Some of you have maybe joined us along the way. But wherever you are, wherever you came from tonight, thank you so much for keeping the heavy metal faith and defending the metal faith. This is a beautiful place, man. Beautiful place. We wish we could spend longer with you. Shout out to Bronco. Bronco's a great band from El Salvador. Pure rock. That's so great. Judas Priest started our heavy metal journey over 50 years ago. It was an amazing time in rock and roll because we were at the beginning of the landscape of heavy metal back in Birmingham in the West Midlands. Judas Priest and our good friends next door, Black Sabbath. We made this music, we designed the sound. We wanted to make something powerful with heavy riffs and real bludgeoning experiences. And so we've been doing that for so many decades. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you for giving us this life. Muchas, muchas gracias. Let's go. I'll have a quick run through of some of the albums that Priests made over the decades. I see somebody over there with Rock-a-Rolla. Numero uno for La Priest. Sad Wings of Destiny. Sin Up to Sim. Stained Class. Point of Entry. Killing Machine. British Steel. Screaming for Vengeance. Defenders of the Faith. Turbo, Run It Down. The Painkiller. Nostradamus, Angel of Retribution, Redeemer of Souls, Firepower. No, ladies, metal baby, this is the Invincible Shield.